Hello, everybody.
And hello, world.
It's Adam, and Mr. Dino is here to help me because we're going to do the core word.
It's core word time. Yes, let's do it.
It's going to be open. And so, open is this word that's right here, right underneath my finger. And that means you are taking something that is closed and you're opening it.
Well, let's try it.
Okay, we will. Are you ready? I have two examples.
Let's do it.
The first one, I am a huge fan of pickles.
Pickles? I've never had a pickle.
You've never had a pickle in your whole life?
Nope.
Okay, do you want to try one?
Yeah, let me try it. Ugh. 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 It won't open.
Oh, opening things can sometimes be tricky. Some things pop open. Other things, like a pickle jar, have to be twisted open.
Okay, twist it.
Okay.
Ugh. Ugh. I can't do it.
Okay, do you need any help?
Yes, please.
All right, I'm going to help you open the jar of pickles.
Hey, you did it! What is it?
Well, pickle looks like this.
I don't know about it.
Okay, well, I'll show you what happens when you eat a pickle.
That doesn't look too bad.
It's not. It tastes pretty good.
I want to try it.
Okay, you can try it. Here you go.
That's pretty good.
I think it is pretty good. Thanks for trying a pickle. Okay, we're going to try one more example of something you can open. And it's this.
A water bottle.
That's right. And I do. I have a little water in here.
I'm going to twist it. Urgh. Urgh. It's not working.
That's because it's different. But it does open with a little top right here. Look.
Oh, you have water.
I do. And so let's try it. See if you can do it.
I did it. I opened it.
You did. I'm really proud of you. I'm going to take a drink since you were so nice enough to open it.
Okay, that's cool.
Well, kids, thanks for learning today about the word open. And again, sometimes you twist, sometimes you pop it open, and sometimes there's even other ways to open it. But that's the core word today.
Open.
All right, bye.